All right, we're down by the wheel. First thing is I'm going to locate my factory valve stem, and I'm going to go 180. So obviously I've already located it, and I'm going to put my monster valve in this location. Ignore this monster valve, just pretend it's a Schrader. And I'm going to use it to air down and get this tire to 0. All right, now that most of the air is out, I'm going to take a 12 millimeter 12-point socket. It's the same one you use to install these wheels. And I'm going to unscrew this bolt. All right, next we want to take the O-ring from the interlock bolt and move it to the monster valve. So I'm going to use this pick. Careful not to poke the O-ring and leave it intact. Okay, and then we want to just put a bit of anti-seize on this. Just a little bit. Okay. And to make this easier on me, I'm going to undo the red collar a bit. And this will just help me get my wrench flats in here. This is a 9/16 wrench. Alright, that's it. Just close the red collar. And you can do this all the way, there's no more sweet spot. Just tighten it down all the way until it stops. Undo the cap. And air it back up. And since our Ventosa reds are now modular, I can take out the Hippo 2, put in my monster chuck, and air it just like this. So, 25 psi.